Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email us Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. Today we're discussing a Rolex Certified Pre-Owned 326934 with a white gold bezel and a 904L steel case. This is the Rolex Oyster Perpetual Sky-Dweller. The Sky-Dweller bowed in 2012 as a GMT annual calendar. It received a new harmonized dial in 2017 where you had more luminescence on the indices, as well as a 24-hour ring that's now the same color as the rest of the dial. And for 2021, it gained a Jubilee bracelet, which is how this one is equipped. So the watch, 42 millimeters in diameter, 14.1 millimeters thick lug-to-lug. It's 50.5 millimeters, but if we add the end links of the bracelet, the Jubilee bracelet, it is 52.5 millimeters across the wrist with a 22 millimeter spacing between the lugs. We're going to throw it on my wrist, which is 16 centimeters in circumference. Very comfortable. Large, but not so big that I couldn't wear it. I could recommend it for a wrist of 15 centimeters circumference and up. You can see the lugs are not out over the edge of my wrist. I got a little bit of clearance left. It's not as thick as you think. With a sloped bezel, it will slide underneath most sleeves, including all jacket cuffs. A comfortable watch. It comes with the Jubilee bracelet. Now, I've always thought that the Sky-Dweller looks like a big Datejust, but until the Jubilee was offered, I couldn't actually say that it truly felt like a big Datejust. Now it does. The shape of the case, the fluted bezel, the general elegance, the versatility of the design, and the 5-link Jubilee puts it all together. If you don't want a Datejust 41, you want something that's a little bit bigger, burlier, and complicated. This gives you much of that aesthetic, but on a larger scale. It is the so-called Super Jubilee, so solid end links, solid center links, a thick gauge steel clasp. You can see that this is a spring-loaded lift lock system with a beak and a hook. It stays closed. It latches shut. And then we've got Easy Link, which is a tool-free 5mm adjustment system, and then 3 pairs of divots drilled inside the clasp so you can change the anchoring point using your strap tool to dismount the spring bar. You'll also note that there are many individual removable links fixed by screws, and that the Jubilee actually gives you better ventilation of the wrist than the 3-link Oyster Sports bracelet. In the era of the much more robust Super Jubilee, I don't feel a need from a structural integrity standpoint for the Oyster. A very simple Oyster case. Like I said, it's a big Datejust. We have a twin lock crown in steel. You know that because it has a little slash underneath. Screw down crown, 100-meter water resistance. What you're about to find out here is that we have a watch that's made of 904L steel. So in the presence of sweat or sea salt, it will not corrode like 316 will. 316 needs to be rinsed after salt exposure. This stuff doesn't. The bezel is gray gold, so it's a white gold that never needs to be plated. Let's do a quick lume shot. So it's a 100-meter water-resistant watch. It is also a robustly luminescent watch. You can see Rolex's proprietary blue chromolite lume. Screwing the crown out in the first position, all it does is wind. Pull the crown out to its second position, and nothing happens. Twist the bezel, 1 click, counterclockwise. Now I can set the date forward and backwards. It's an annual calendar, 1 adjustment each year during the jump from February to March, and I can set it in both directions without damage. Here's your date. We have 12 hours corresponding to 12 months, so you're looking at 9/1. That is September 1 right there, and you can jump back and forth between the months with no hazard to the watch. Okay. Now, 1 more click counterclockwise, I can adjust the local hour where I am able to adjust the date forward, but I cannot reverse it in this position. Note that the watch is still ticking. I haven't attacked the calendar in any way other than driving the date. I have not moved the 24-hour ring. I have not moved the minute hand. Now, I have activated hacking seconds, where I want to stop the seconds hand and set my minute hand and my 24-hour reference time. So let's say I want to set it to 10:20 p.m., just like that. Now what I'm going to do is bring the bezel in, 1 click clockwise. I'm going to set my local time. Now I'm going to set my calendar. Let's just say that's where I want to set it. Now I'm going to bring the bezel back all the way around clockwise, lock it in position, screw down the crown. The watch is now set. You noticed how hacking seconds was activated when I had the bezel turned all the way clockwise. Inside, Rolex caliber 9001, automatic winding, bidirectional winding action, 4 hertz beat rate, 40 joules, 70-hour power reserve. It's got the second time zone in a 24-hour format, the local time zone in a 12-hour format, annual calendar. It is a full balance bridge with a free-sprung balance for durability. It has a Breguet overcoil hairspring, so in any position, this watch will keep very consistent time. That overcoil is made of a blue oxidized niobium zirconium alloy called Parachrome Blue that makes this watch very anti-magnetic. Rolex makes the Paraflex shock absorbers. They make the lubricant used on the movement. They make every part of this caliber and this watch right down to the chromolite blue lume. Rolex is a fully integrated movement manufacturer. And though it is a COSC certified chronometer movement, Rolex goes one better, taking the fully assembled watch, testing it in 6 positions to keep time no worse than -2 + 2 seconds per day. That is the superlative chronometer standard. If you love this watch, reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details. Rolex Certified Pre-Owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex Certified standard, and any parts invested, Rolex Factory Original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a certified pre-owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note, this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company. The certified pre-owned program: care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.